question, different reagents or the test that can be used in qualitative analysis are given in list 1 and the ions that can be detected by these reagents are in list 2. We have to match the list 1 with list 2. The first one is given as lake test. The lake test is used to detect the presence of aluminium ions in a sample. In this test, aluminium ions are treated with a reagent that forms a colored complex indicating the presence of aluminium. And the second one is Nessler's reagent. This is used to detect the presence of ammonia or ammonium ions in a particular sample. A positive result indicates the presence of NH4 plus ions in the sample solution. The third one is potassium sulfocyanide. This is used to test for the presence of Fe3 plus ions or ferric ions. A blood red color indicates the presence of Fe3 plus ions in the sample. And the last one is brown ring test. The brown ring test is used to detect the presence of nitrate ions in a solution. And in this test, the reduction of nitrate ions to nitrite ions takes place by iron 2 sulfate solution, which then react with the iron 2 ions to form a characteristic brown ring at the center of the solution. So from these options, we can say the correct answer is option D.